Did you know you can export any frame from your sequence as an image file out of Premiere? I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So we have a lot of different frames to choose from here, and I want to export just that one as an image, as a PNG. How do I do it? Well, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go up to your sequence playback menu here, and then at the bottom there are a bunch of icons. We're going to pick this one, the one that looks like a little camera, and it says export frame. If you don't see that for some reason, go over here to this button, this plus sign button, hit that, and you should see it in that menu. I already have it, so I don't need to do that. All I'm going to do is navigate to the frame I want to export, so you have to visually see what you want to export exactly. So if I wanted that, I would do that, but I want it right there. Okay, so I hit the export frame button, and now I'm going to name it. So let's call him Party Sleeping. Here you pick your format. I like PNG, but you can pick any other image file as well. JPEGs are good, but depends on your needs. PNG for me. And then you can also choose the path. So if I hit browse, I can navigate to where I want it to export to, and it's already linked up here, so that's okay. Okay. And you can also import it into the project you're working on, which is helpful if you want that image file to be available directly from Premiere. But I'm good with just exporting it out to a folder. So that's it. Let's hit OK. Takes just a second to export. And now in that folder, I can search for it, and there it is, a beautiful image file, PNG, that I can use for whatever reason I may need it. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like and check out my playlist in Premiere for more like this. Thanks.